Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I have the honor to deliver this statement on behalf of the 14 member states of CARICOM. The member states of CARICOM, in solidarity with the Pacific Seeds Group, have joined as co-sponsors of this Resolution A/63/L8-Rev1 on climate change and its possible security implications. CARICOM shares with other small island and low-lying coastal states an acute awareness of the reality of the impacts of climate change. The incidence and intensity of natural disasters and other climate-related impacts have increased significantly in recent times. The group therefore considers that there is need to increasingly expand understanding and appreciation of the impacts of climate change and to address its attendant challenges in a coordinated, resolute, effective, and sustainable manner. Since seeds disproportionately bear the brunt of the climate change challenge, CARICOM welcomes the resolution's reaffirmation of the Programme of Action for the Sustainable Development of Small Island Developing States, the Mauritius Declaration, and the Mauritius Strategy for the further implementation of the Programme of Action for the Sustainable Development of Small Island Developing States. In combating the formidable challenge posed by climate change, small island developing states especially stand in need of all possible understanding and support. The possible security implications of climate change provide an additional emerging and disconcerting dimension of the challenge. Indeed, for many of our countries, climate change poses an existential threat to our very survival. An urgent and comprehensive approach is needed, involving the full participation of all states. For this purpose, our countries attach high importance to the process in train under the UNFCCC and welcome the reaffirmation of the UNFCCC as the key instrument for addressing climate change. Mr. President, the resolution raises a sense of deep concern that the adverse impacts of climate change, including sea level rise, could have possible security implications. We would like to take this opportunity to thank the Pacific Small Island Developing States for bringing the issue formally for consideration within the context of the UN. We recognize that there might be different perceptions as to the nature and scope of the challenges highlighted by the resolution. In this regard, we anticipate that the comprehensive report to be provided by the Secretary General can provide a platform for the further consideration of the issue in the 64th session of the General Assembly. CARICOM hopes to contribute its own views and perspectives to the report and to future debates on those questions. Mr. President, CARICOM members have participated actively and constructively in the protracted negotiations on the resolution, and we therefore join in commending the Assembly for its adoption by consensus. I thank you, Mr. President.